It says here, write 5.6 times 10 to the minus 7 as an ordinary number. So you've got 5.6 times 10 to the minus 5. If I have to, this means I have to move the decimal point 7 places. So I do that 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then I put in a point. So that's moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer is going to be 0.000000056. B. If I now work out 8.7 times 10 to the 6 plus 4.2 times 10 to the 4. Now I could do that on my calculator, but this as an ordinary number will be 8, and we move the decimal point 6 places, and this was going to be 4, 2 with 3 zeros, i.e. we move the decimal point 4 places that way. And then if we add those up, which is quite straightforward, we can do it without a calculator, and then convert that number into standard form. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be 8.742 times 10 to the 6. If you did this on your calculator, this number will not will give an answer like this, and then you would have to convert it into standard form. So remember, the standard form is a times 10 to the n, where a is a number between 1 and 10, but not equal to 10, and n is an integer, positive or negative, normally used for a very large number or a very small number. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.